Hey guys, so the hair I'm using is by Dyhair777, and when you order your hair, this is how it comes sent and packaged. It's so cute. It comes in this little bag, and then inside it comes with hair care instructions, ooh, cute set of lashes. And then the hair, this is how it comes. It comes in this little bag. This is how it looks. Okay, so how I have my hair is, okay, these two sections right here, these two sections are gonna be like my leave out, and then the section at the top is gonna be my leave out as well. And so what's gonna be like in the wig are these, so I have a braid around the top right here, and that's what I'm gonna like hook the wig into, like the clips. And then the braids. Your braids don't have to be perfect because no one's gonna see them because they're gonna be under the wig. But yeah, I can't braid, and my mom did these for me. Thank you, Mama. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and straighten these sections. Okay, so I'm just showing the heat protectant that I'm using. I use a heat protectant when I flat iron my hair. So I just apply the heat protectant and I do the chase method. So I have a comb, a little rat tooth comb, or a rat tail comb, and I just flat iron. And I'm not sure why my hair was smoking like that. But yeah, so I just flat ironed all of my leave out so it would blend with the wig. And I was kind of worried, like I wasn't sure if my hair was going to be longer than the wig, but thankfully it wasn't. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of the wig. So inside the wig, there's 3 combs around that will be clipped into my braid right here. And that will keep the wig like snug and on. And then there's 2 combs on the side, and then there's a comb in the back. And then there's also adjustable straps as well in the back right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna get all the leave out and get it out of the way. And then I'm gonna take my braids and kind of crisscross them in the back, like lift them up. I don't like to like use bobby pins or anything because that would like kind of just, that would irritate me a little bit and be a little uncomfortable. So I just kind of hold them up while I place the wig. I just flip my head down and I put the comb in the back, and then I just tuck the combs in the top, and then I'll stand up and I'll go through and like adjust them properly. So I'm taking the combs on the sides and just tucking them under my first braid, and then just getting the clips on top and securing them in that small braid on the top that I showed you guys, and I'm just like snapping those secure. And this thing feels really secure. So next, I'm gonna take my leave out down and blend it in with the rest of my hair. So I'm just doing my middle part, and this is me blending it. And I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it a little bit because I had a little wave to it, and I'm just trying to get it to look like as natural as possible. Like I want it to look like my real hair, all of it, you know? So I'm just flat ironing it. And this is how it looks. Yes. I freaking love this hair, okay? Like, oh my gosh, I just can't get enough. It's like so nice, you know. It looks like a sew-in, and then but it's not, obviously, and it's like you can take it off your head every day and then put it back on the next day or whenever you feel like it, and it's like all you can see, like, it's my real hair that you see. So, and it just blends in so nicely with my hair. Like, this is a really nice wig. I freaking love it, okay? Like, I prefer this over a regular wig for the obvious reasons. I have my hair out, and then like you can have your hair protected underneath and just have a little bit of your hair out, and I like that about it. And I like that you can like, it looks like a sew-in, but you can take it off every day, and then it's like my own natural part and my own natural hairline, like, and it's not like, I have a big head. I have a really big head, I guess, and so a lot of times wigs are tight on me. Like, I feel like I can't wear them for too long or I'll start getting a headache. Like, I can wear them for, you know, several hours, but I think like an entire day, by the end of the day, I get really irritable. I get really irritated because I'm just just so ready to take the wig off, you know. And I mean, sometimes I do, but like if I'm in like a place I can't really take it off, then I don't, you know. But okay, so I got sidetracked about what I was trying to say, but what I was trying to say is that this wig is so comfortable to me, and I can wear it for a really long time without wanting to take it off, and then it fits my head, like my size head, you know, and it's just really comfortable. That's what I was trying to get to. Anyways, yes, but y'all, oh my god, I love this hair. I love it, and it's not like super thick and like fake looking. I feel like this is just like, it's just the right amount of hair. Like, it's not too thick, it's perfect. Like, I'm obsessed. I think it looks amazing. Y'all check out the website in my description box down below of where I got this hair from. It's super nice, like so soft. The quality of the hair feels amazing. Like, it's so silky, it's so pretty, it's so soft. It's so soft. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.